The old International. I'm gonna start her up. It's sitting all winter. I mean, it's supposed to be spring now, but it feels like winter. Let's get a cold start. Let's see what we got here. Check the oil and stuff. Hold on. Alright, oil's good. I gotta get up there, check the antifreeze. Shit. Ugh. Nice and shiny on the pistons are. Take the anti-fleca. It's in there. I usually just stick my finger in there. Yeah, I don't feel nothing. Well, she took a half a gallon of antifreeze. And I'm seeing a little bit of oil with water in it underneath. Okay, I hid the key up here. Let's see if she'll go. Let's see if she'll go. Gotta let the diesel fuel get up there a little bit. See if she'll go. Cold start, boy. All freaking winter. Thing's sitting there. Look at the chooch on it. Look at the chooch on that bad boy. He's a choochin'. He's a choochin'. Oh, yes, he is. Yeah. He run. Should clear up a little bit now once it gets going. Look at that baby go though. International. 1970, between 74 and 79. 278. Backhoe. That thing is strong, boy. I tell you, that thing is strong. I put all new hoses on it. Anybody want to give me $5 grand for it? I'll take it. My dump trailer. Call it Big Red. Let it warm up. There she is, running smooth now. Alright guys, take her easy.